Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can attest your documents from HEC. So I will explain you both of the methods, like your urgent basis and your through courier. So make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So you can just type over here like HEC e-services portal. So this is the official portal from HEC, so you can verify your degree from HEC. So first you need to create your account over here, like you can just sign up over here, then you can simply log in here. So I already done with the application. You can see my portal is just visible for you guys. So you can just create your account and it will redirect you to the application process. So just navigate to the dashboard icon, and here you can see different applications are available. So click on the degree attestation process. So once you will click on degree attestation, the form will get open like personal details. As I already done with the application, so it will just show me you already done with the application. So here is my application is visible to you because I already done with the application. So you can track your application and you can perform different actions over here. So once time the application is rejected, and the second time I successfully done with the application. So the application processing means I already done with verification from HEC. So here is your application ID, application type, your date, your status, each and everything is visible to you. So you will get an option after clicking on the degree attestation. You will get a personal details, details of degree, attestation details, documents upload, verify details. All options, all forms are visible to you. So you can fill out each form one by one. So first I will just click on the personal details. Here you can enter your personal details like your profile picture, your first, your middle and last name, your marital status, your gender. You can enter all those information one by one, and easily you can navigate to the second application form, like your father details, your date of birth, your contact info, your postal address, your city. Each and everything is required. So once you are done with your personal details, it will just redirect you to the second application process, which is all about like your degree details. So here I just entered my degree details and it will show me like this: bachelor's 16 years of completion 2024, program title and your university name. So what you can do, it will showing me like this because I already submitted my degree details. So you can click on view option. So here you can enter your details like qualification level, your start date, your end date, and you can enter your name on degree as well. So on the incomplete education and currently enrolled, you don't need to check box on any option because you can just enter details. So I already done with the application, that's why it will show me the last degree of complete like 16 years. Otherwise you will get those forms. Now here you can read the instructions carefully and you can enter all your details one by one. So please make sure that everything you are providing is correct, so then HEC will be verify your degree. So you can enter your country, your degree awarded institute, your program title. Most of the students are facing issues in program title. Make sure to select a correct program title, your university name, campus, your department, your degree type, your session type, and your areas of research. Most of the time areas of research is not required, but you can enter your registration number as well. Make sure that all those details you are providing is just these things are tally with your original degree. So then you can verify your last degree for attestation. So here my last degree is showing like that. So it will just redirect me you to the third form, which is all about the mode of attestation, how you want to attest your degree. Like you want to choose urgent basis or through courier. I just select a courier. You can select urgent basis. The fee of urgent basis is more than the courier because you will get your documents within 1 month if you are selecting a courier. So you can select your option where you are sending your documents inside the Pakistan. Select your district. Do you have any kind of disability? Select on no if you don't have. So your details are visible once you are done with the attestation mode, and now you can see please select number of pages of documents to be attested. So this is the very important point where you can select how many pages you want to attest. Most of the time there is a one page for degree, and most of the time there's a two for your transcripts, so you can attest all of them. The fee would be like 1,000 for each one. So you can just select like the attestation documents degree page of original document, like I have just selected a one, and transcript, because my transcript is on 2 pages, so that's why I selected a 2. So the document attestation for each document, original document is 1,000, and if you want to attest number of photocopies for each document is like 700. Because I want to attest the original my degree, which is about on 1 page, so it will be 1,000 for my original, and I have transcript which is on 2 pages, so the whole would be like 3 documents, and for each original document like 1,000 for each document, and total would be 3,000. So in this way you can select your mode of attestation, your documents. So all the information is visible for you like this, your CNIC of your front and back. So you have already entered, and your CNIC is just shown. You can just enter your picture of your CNIC front and your CNIC back over here. So in PDF form, make sure you can enter all those details like images details in PDF form. So my CNIC like front and back is available over here. So you can enter your education details over here, like copy of your transcript. You can enter the image of your transcript in PDF form, and you can enter your copy of degree in PDF form. If your transcript is on 2 pages, so you can merge both of the PDFs in a single PDF, and then you can upload your transcript in single PDF. It is in case if your transcript is on 2 pages. So you can enter your a copy of your secondary school certificate over here, like your matriculation certificate, which is known as sanad as well, and you can enter your copy of secondary school mark sheet. Just click on the I option, you can easily see the document type as well. Copy of your higher secondary school, you can just upload, and copy of higher secondary school mark sheet. So in this way you can upload all those documents one by one. So these documents will be just verify from the HEC. They can verify if you have done with any kind of mistake. They will let you know through your online application and through your portal. They will just mention you in a comment, so you can make those correction in your application. Then you can resubmit again. As you can see, I already done with the application which is just rejected, so I have done with the mistake, that's why. So here is your all those details are mentioned, like your mode of attestation, your documents type, and your last degree. And this is a concerning message that you need to do a check mark that all information you are provided is correct. So make sure that you can read all those above information. If you have any kind of mistake you have done, you need to correct them out first, then you can proceed further. So if you are done with the application and you think that your application is good to go, then you can just click on the submit button and save and proceed to the next option. So here I just mark that the provided information is correct, so I just click on the proceed option. So it will just here you can see if you want to just check out the method from the portal as well, you can read each PDF one by one. This is the PDF for your personal details, this is the PDF of details of degree. Like you can check details over here, download, click on download manual. So this manual will totally help you out how you can select a checkbox and how you can enter your information. This will show a complete process, like here is your degree type, here how you can select those degrees in those checkbox and those boxes, and how you can proceed your application. So in this way you can read all those manuals one by one and easily fill out those information. So let's move toward another and how check it out how we can check the user manual for another option, like attestation details. Click on attestation details, click on download manual, and here you can see this manual is really helpful for you, so you can just take a help from it like how you can enter your information. So this manual is basically regarding for each application, so you can check it out this manual as well. The attestation fee is mentioned like 1000 for the original documents and 700 for the attestation of copies. So you can attest on the urgent basis as well, but the fee would be like different because you will get your desired documents on same day. But if you want to send through the courier, the HSC will take place like if you submit today, and the HSC will take totally like a month. So it will send you back the attested documents in a month through easy pesa, like through courier. So you can submit your fee using easy pesa as well. Just you can enter your details of your PSID and just submit your fee using one bill vice voucher. So this is our degree upload details, how you can upload your degree. This is, I'm just opening a user manual. This is helpful for you because you can check it out how you can select those boxes and how you can upload your documents. Make sure to upload your documents in PDF form so you can easily upload those documents, because it will only accepted the PDF form of documents, not any other PDF, not any other form like Word or any other. So make sure done with the PDF, and here is your user manual of your verifying details. Like make sure that everything you are done is correct. So you can track your application by clicking over here. So once you are done with the application, this will provide you applicant ID, which is a tracking ID, and your application type, your date, your status. So this ID is important. You need to keep it with you because you can easily track your application on this portal. So if you're done with any kind of mistake, they will let you know. As one time my application is rejected, so I can see a comment over here, so you can easily check it out which mistake you have done. So the mistake is mentioned correct campus college name in profile as per degree transcript, then resubmit the application. So previously I have done this mistake, and that's why my previous application is get cancelled. So I have just deleted this application and now I will proceed toward the next application. Now I have done successfully. So here is your profile completed, like your personal details, your address details, your educational details, and after submitting your fee, like you can easily track your application. So after submitting your fee, you will get an option to upload a image of your courier slip. So you can upload image of your courier slip, then you can easily track like under secretary successfully, like courier receipt uploaded successfully and received hard copies successfully. So they will send you a email which you have registered in this portal, that your document have been received from HEC. Now it will send you back after like 13 days or such way. So this is the complete process. Make sure to like, comments and subscribe my channel for more videos. I will upload a complete video on MOFA attestation as well. I already uploaded IBCC attestation and attestation through the different boards like Rawalpindi board. So make sure to like, comments and subscribe my channel for more videos.